Hi, my name is Megan and I teach the functional rehab programs here at Spine Chiropractic. Today we're going to be using a small lacrosse ball. This one is a softer one, so a tennis ball will also work at home. And what we're going to work on is how to loosen up IT band or quad pain and tightness through there. If this has been an ongoing thing, I really strongly encourage you to come into the office so we can kind of see what's going on, get an adjustment, kind of work through a rehab program that's specific to you. But today we'll work on how to use the lacrosse ball to do some trigger point work, specifically at the attachment point near your knee. So what we're going to do is bring the lacrosse ball lateral and then up just a little bit into what we call the vastus lateralis quad muscle. And we're going to put that right on the ground, bring our leg over top. And if you can see my stance, I'm in a pretty stable position. So we have my shoulder outside of my ear, core is nice and engaged. We have hips stacked over top of each other. And right through here, we're trying to find a trigger point which will feel really tight. We call it like a spicy spot. When you find that, hang out there and let that leg relax right onto that spot. Now, if this is too easy or you want it to be a little bit more intense through there, go ahead and place the other leg over top. Remember to take deep diaphragmatic breaths all the way into your belly so we can continue to loosen up the muscle through there, which will relieve tension through the IT band. Hanging out here, if you want more of a stretch through there, feel free to also bring that bottom knee into knee flexion. In order to do that, you're bringing that right heel all the way back behind you and straight. You'll notice when you do that, it definitely intensifies that tightness through there. So do that one with a little bit of caution. And there we have it. That is one of the ways to loosen up the IT band at the attachment site.